Hey, also for this little social media polling project, and probably a few more times before we get done with probability and statistics, I'm going to ask that you create graphics to show certain statistics. And there's a really, really easy way to do that, and I'm going to show you how. So I threw out this question on Twitter earlier today: which is your favorite 3-month period when living in the Midwest? And I grouped those into January through March, April through June, July through September, and October through December. And never mind that my Twitter feed is dead and only 16 people have responded today, but that's not my fault. I don't really mess with Twitter too much. So you got those numbers: 0, 31, 13, 56. And the really easy way to do that is through Google Sheets. And you should know where that's at. In your Google Drive, click New, and open up a new Google Sheet, which I've done over here. I labeled it Preferred Months in the Midwest. And here are those responses: January through March, April through June, July through September, and October through December. All right. And I'm going to punch in those numbers: 0, 31, 13, 56, 0, 31, 13, 56. All right, so those are the percentages so far of who has responded. All right, now to make a little graphic, you click this little button that says Insert Chart right here, and boom, it creates a little graphic for you, a little pie chart this thing made. If something works better, like this bar graph or a line graph or whatever your poll is, you got some of those to choose from. I'm going to stick with my pie chart here, but I'm going to customize it. So I went from data and I hit customize, and I just want to give this a title. All right, so there's chart title and there's chart subtitle. So I'm actually just gonna copy and paste from my title. Boom, bang. All right, preferred months in the Midwest. Notice it showed up over here. And now I'm going to give it a little subtitle as well. And what I'm going to say here is 16 responses on Twitter poll. All right. Hopefully there's more overnight before we get back to class in the morning, but no big deal. I ain't mad. All right. So then you got this bar graph, or you got this pie graph. All right. I'm going to save this image, and I wonder what that looks like. Yeah. So now you got a nice little graph to display your data. All right. Pretty easy to do, and not a whole lot of stuff to play with. So that's that. Peace.